Hi there friend, today we have two sets to write out. We need to find all the members and list them inside curly braces. Let's do them one at a time. Let's read this slowly. The little symbol that looks like an upside down V means AND. So we need numbers that are natural numbers and also less than 15. Natural numbers are the counting numbers we use every day. They start from 1 and go on forever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. They never stop. Now we pick only the natural numbers that are less than 15. We start counting from 1 and we stop at 14 because 15 is not less than 15. So we get 1 all the way up to 14. Here is our answer for part 7. G has 14 members. Every counting number from 1 to 14. We wrote them all inside curly braces and that is tabular form. Great job. Okay, now part 8. We need to find the first 7 prime numbers. But first, let's remember what a prime number is. A prime number is a special number. You can only split it into equal parts by 1 and by itself. No other number can split it evenly. For example, 5 is prime because only 1 times 5 gives 5. The smallest prime number is 2. It can only be split evenly by 1 and by 2. That's exactly 2 factors, so 2 is our first prime number. 3 is prime because only 1 and 3 make it. But 4 is not prime because 2 times 2 also makes 4. That's too many ways. Then 5 is prime, only 1 and 5 work. So our second and third primes are 3 and 5. 6 is not prime because 2 times 3 makes 6. But 7 is prime. That's our fourth. Then 8, 9 and 10 all have extra factors. So they are not prime. 11 is prime. That's our fifth. 12, 14, 15 and 16 all have extra factors, so they are not prime. But 13 is prime, that's our sixth, and 17 is also prime, that's our seventh. We found all 7. Here are all 7 prime numbers in a row. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. Count them. That's exactly 7. Perfect. And here is our answer for part 8. H equals the set with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17 inside curly braces. That's the first 7 prime numbers in tabular form. You did amazing work today.